peeves. Oh my god, what was that? Okay. So, first one. When the slime isn't in the like camera film thing. Sorry guys. Yeah. Okay, so next one is when the slime is way too sticky or hard. Okay, gotta switch. Okay. Ew, it stinks. Oh, that's normal for a slime. For food, yeah. Okay, next one. When they abuse the slime. Ow. Okay, next one. When the slime... No, when they breathe too loud or the background noise is way too loud. And next one, when the lighting is just horrible. Go. Sorry, it's kind of dark, guys. I'm in the very dark. But yeah, whatever. And next pet peeve. I have to think. I can't remember any pet peeves. When they're eating something. Yeah. Okay. The slime in camera. Sorry guys, I'm eating. Darn it, I dropped it all. Whatever. Move that out of the way. Sorry guys. Seriously, I have no clue what's happening. Oh, okay, this is good. This tastes good. Okay. When they think their slime is the best slime in the world, but it really isn't. Also, I've risked my slime and put cereal in it. God. Okay. So, sorry if it's out of camera. I can't. Out of production filming thing. I forgot what it's called, but sorry if it's out of that line. Okay, so my slime is the prettiest slime. Wait, this slime is my worst slime. This is my best slime. It's clicky.
Are you talking to Sierra?
No, I'm making a video. It's clicky and it's stretchy. Doesn't rip at all. And it is the prettiest, bluest color ever. Sorry about that. And it is super clicky, and it doesn't move around at all when you play with it. Sorry, hold on, guys. Let me do something. And I'm back. Okay, so next one, when they think their slime is worse than everybody else's, when really it's better than everybody else's. Oh my gosh, guys, my slime is so horrible. I'm so sorry. I mean, like, it doesn't click or stretch at all. I really, really wanted to gain subscribers from this, but I don't think I can. So I'm really sorry that my slime is just horrible. It doesn't click at all. It doesn't stretch at all. It doesn't have good bubble pops.
Yes, it does.
Shush, I'm making a video. It's horrible slime, guys. I'm really sorry. I hope you can forgive me. Next one, when they poke the bubbles. Like, seriously, I cannot stand that. Okay. So, let's just poke. Oh my god. Like, I can't even. I hate it. I'm sorry I was chatting through that one. I couldn't. I had to crunch it. God. And when they false mislabeled their slimes. Sorry. Okay, so this is my Valentine's. This is my not Valentine's. Gosh, sorry. This is my honey bear coffee. Sorry, I was reading it and I couldn't read it. See right here, it says honey bear little coffee. Okay, so I don't know why my honey bear little coffee is blue and it has hearts and stars in it, but I mean, it's my honey bear coffee. So, yeah. It smells like lemons. I mean, it smells like honey bear coffee. Seriously, that's a thing, honey bear coffee. God, it smells delicious. So like, it smells just like honey bear coffee or whatever. So yeah, it does not smell like that. Whatever. Let's just get on with the video. And the last, but not least, is, let's see, when they just keep adding random things to their slime. That's a good one. Okay, so today I'm adding things to my slime. It's a jar. That's a good one. Hey, a marker. That's a good one too. This marker.
Thanks for getting this.
You're welcome. Ooh, this stamp. That's another good one. Okay. Oh, it fell out. Oh, God. Okay, just a second, guys. Sorry. Yeah, this is the prettiest slime ever, don't you see? Like, God. Learn your manners. Oh my God. Yeah, I shouldn't have put that stamp in there, guys. Oh my God. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you all for the followers. Even though I only have like 2. But, yeah, thank you. And bye.